Okay, we just wanted to show you a quick video. People have asked if we still use this wet-dry vac that we've had since 2011. And as you can see, there it is, and we actually do use it. We kind of just use it when we have floods or when we're doing floor work. And I want to show you some of the ways we've got it set up right now. Number one, we bought a floor wand. We bought a floor wand for it with a squeegee. I'll put a link for all this in the video.
The wand's about $80.
Yeah, and we have the 20-foot hose, and it's not the Ridgid hose, it's the Workshop brand, but it's the same thing. And we have...
Now you got to do some adapting. If you buy this, I'm
gonna give you a link for this.
We went to Home Depot, but you have to adapt
tubing,
or you can't hook it to a shop vac. Wand to a shop vac hose.
The hose fits on the outside of this tubing, and then the wand fits the inside just perfectly, and they hook together.
Right.
But you cut that. It comes in like a 2-foot section, and you cut off like 8 inches of it to put the joint right in here. That's where that's at.
Now we bought this thing as well.
Okay, yeah, and then we have a pump out. Now this is rated for 60 foot of lift, 11 gallons per minute.
So it'll empty this shop vac rather quickly, so you don't have to sit there and dump the shop vac.
And I think it's like an 18-foot cord.
Yeah.
So
and
you can run it while you're vacuuming. You don't have to shut the vacuum off to run it, but you only want to do that whenever you have like if you're taking water out of a basement or something that's flooded. Well, like you want to have like a constant flow of water coming in. You don't want to run that pump dry.
If they need us to do a flood, we can put the we would put the other hose on there that has the other nozzle, and we could do floods we could work for 2 solid hours or 4 or 5 hours.
It'll pump out continuously.
Just keep pumping out while we work.
But you don't want to run it dry. So
put this in and I'll show it with the hose.
You can bring the pool filters. They're on that table in there.
The what?
The pool filters. They're on that table. They're on that table next to the front door. There's a box of them. I'll show you also. I'm not going to take this thing apart because it's kind of a pain to take the lid off. But
we're not getting
on the inside.
We're not getting this dirty on video.
Yeah, on the inside we're using pool filters, and I'll put a link for these that we have. And you just wrap your filter with this, and it helps keep your filter cleaner.
There's one right here, if you can see.
Yeah, I put one at the intake too to trap debris. Like when you're doing floods and you want to trap some debris before it comes in.
Do you actually need the filter that comes with the vacuum? Or does that eliminate?
Well, you take your air filter out of your vacuum when you're doing water.
Well,
but you could wrap one of those around the area where the filter goes.
What I'm saying is, in case they don't know, can you vacuum dry sawdust and stuff with that filter in there without the filter that comes with the vacuum?
You can, but all that stuff reduces your suction, so you have to try how much you can get away with. And if you have to, just use one wrapped around the filter and don't use the one at the inlet. But
now, just so you can see 20 foot. Remember, this is a shop vac, so
yeah, the lighting's gonna be kind of bad out here, but he's gonna walk out that way.
Joe, don't let the vacuum pull.
No,
we're just gonna show you how far this reaches.
Yeah, and that's a joy to wrap that hose too, by the way. But keep going. Okay, you're there.
So I can work this far away from the vacuum before I have to move the vacuum.
And if you hook that pump up to the front and you attach a water hose to that,
you're continuously working.
Then you don't have to move this very much.
You move it every 20 feet, which is, unless you're in a big old building, you're not going to move it much in a house or an apartment.
But check the video description for links. And there's we don't do affiliates, Amazon affiliates or anything anymore, so we're not getting any money off of any of this.
No, we're doing.
But we're just providing it for people that might be interested.
Oh,
and they don't sell this particular wet-dry vac anymore, but any larger one that's got a 2.5-inch outlet. Or inlet, I'm sorry, will work.
Oh, in case any of you wonder, Beth works with us. She just come in this video because she had to go sing at church in some kind of situation with her husband. So she couldn't be here today, so we made the video with her. But she's still around.
If you want to, go ahead and hold it. Go ahead and just pull this hose out. Hold on to that, and then pull. There, you can see the pipe sticking through there.
Yeah, you need
and you can see it here too.
If you get this wand, it won't hook up to a shop vac.
No, you stick a section from here to here. You stick it on this wand, and then they have connectors that come in the box with the hose.
Right.
There's like 4 different ones, and you just use one of them here, and then your hose just slides in.
So you order the hose, and it comes with the connectors. You order the wand, and then you go to Home Depot and get the
tubing, and I'll show you the link for all that.
It's real easy. Yeah, he'll show you the link for everything but the shop vac.
We'll put it back together real quick if you want. So you see it just slides right in there.
Just
and
like
then
that.
it locks at the top a little bit. So it's not going to come apart.
No.
And you can always, you know, use a little electrical tape or something if your connection seems loose.
If you feel like it's not sure enough.
Hopefully that's helpful to some of you, and we just wanted to show you guys.
Oh, yeah, if we get a chance to do a bunch of water,
Yeah, we do.
we'll make a video of
One
it.
that we want to make a video of.
Only if we do a bunch of floor work where we get the floor super wet or have a flood. So you may never see us use this, we don't know.
But it's there, and these things are out there, folks, if you need them. So hopefully you enjoyed that and it's useful to you. And if you have any questions, just ask in the comment section.
Yeah.
And I guess that's all for this one.
Have a great day.
Yeah, thanks for watching.